What's going on, guys? I don't know what happened to the last video, it just stopped. So yeah, back with another video. On the way back, had a very nice walk. Saw lots of dog friends and dog people. And yeah, it was a good way to finish. Walk back. Well, I got a drop off back actually. So I'm very happy with that. When I get my own car, I'm going to be happy with mine. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. Yeah, nothing different. Really, I'm gonna relax, play some computer games, play a bit of Fortnite. I will start streaming on Twitch hopefully sometime. I'll do my best. Yeah, not too fast. Yeah, it's good fun. I'm trying to get in the game again. I'll upload these when I get back. Maybe I'm running on YouTube. Yeah, it took me ages, I promise you. But I'm all good. All good. I think I'm more on time this time. Last time I probably uploaded. I didn't upload the videos in like weeks, and then forgot what I was doing. Yeah, forgot what ones I did. Now I'm actually keeping up with it just about. So yeah, I know I do rush these videos, but the thing is, I really don't do much these days at the moment. Yeah. But when I do, I will try and video it if I can, and it's not too awkward for me. You get some people like, "Oh, what are you doing? Oh, not in the photo." So yeah, that's good. Because in my house, I can't really get people in it because. Even though I'm vulnerable, but I'm not really bothered being on photo. The rest are probably as vulnerable as I am, really. So I can't really get them on. Yeah, so I'd rather just put myself out there than other people. Get my own content out there. It's not bad, really. Want to say so? Got my head nod? Got my nod? Oh, look at this. It's like nice and symmetrical. Down the little alleyway here. This nice hedgerow. Look how straight that is. I couldn't quite see. Oh, no, like sticking out. Except the little hedge at the end. Yeah. It's all good, really. Nice mossy road. This is a private road, but you know, I can still do it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Quite a cool life to live, like vlogging. If I vlog enough, I get my videos monetized. I need to get loads of views. I need to get like at least 3 million. But my duration time is maybe about 21 seconds. Needs a bit more. So I need to figure out how to really get fun content in. Really, I'm really doing my best. I promise you. But the thing is, I just lose concentration in what I'm actually doing. Oh, fuck's sake. Can't even fucking wait. I just hate cars. When I get a car, I'm putting a damn train on it. Then no one will ever get in the way. they won't come in. I have two. I have my normal horn, train horn, or ship's horn, either one really. Yeah. Whatever really. Whatever is loud. Whatever can fill up the space in the bonnet of the car or underneath the car. There's always a lot of space there. Yeah. Put it front and back of the car. Yeah, all sides of the car maybe. And drive it with Christmas lights everywhere. I'll do that as well. Yeah. Yeah. Cool, I'll be on my way home soon. I'll stop the vlog soon because I don't really want all you guys knocking at my door or swatting the house because it's not a good idea. Not a good idea. But I hope you have a good day anyway. Get at the door. It's 997. Peace out.